G'day guys, Chef Guy telling you from Bondi Harvest. I thought I'd jump on first of all to make sure you are healthy and cooking lots at home. And secondly, I wanted to update you on a new project I've been working on. I am doing live masterclasses so you can cook and learn a whole lot more at home. These are going to be super fun, super intimate. We're going to connect together, we're going to cook and laugh and drink wine together. It's going to be so much fun. Plus, if you order here and you're in America, we will deliver this gorgeous fruit and veg box to your door. So all you have to do is open the box, log on to Zoom, pour yourself a glass of wine, and you and I can cook some amazing food together. I would love to see you there. I'm super excited about this new project. So do me a favor, book your ticket now, jump on so we can have an amazing time and cook amazing food. Hope to see you soon. Stay healthy, stay happy, and cook lots and send me all your photos. Peace out.